Today's video is on the top 3 best heavy-duty camping chairs. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or use of it, we've got you covered. For more product information, I have included affiliate links below, updated for the best prices. Now, let's find your top pick. Number 3. Best budget. KingCamp heavy-duty camping chairs. Imagine settling into a camping chair so roomy and comfortable that it feels more like a lounge seat than a foldable chair. That's exactly what this extra-wide director's chair delivers. With an impressive frame measuring about 43 inches wide, 22 inches deep, and 37 inches high, it's built for people who crave space. The seat itself is nearly 21 inches wide, giving you all the freedom to stretch out without feeling squished like in regular camping chairs. Even better, the seat sits 17 inches off the ground, making it easy to get in and out, especially if your knees don't like bending too low. Comfort is truly where this chair shines. The ergonomic high back design hugs your spine and supports your lower back perfectly, helping you sit for hours without that annoying ache. It fits your body's natural curve and eases pressure on your waist. The padded, curved armrests are another thoughtful touch. They feel soft against your arms and help you push yourself up smoothly when it's time to stand. Every inch of this chair screams comfort and relaxation. But luxury means nothing without durability, right? This chair has that covered too. It's crafted from flat tube steel, which is both strong and surprisingly lightweight. Despite weighing only about 15 pounds, it can hold up to a whopping 600 pounds. Proof of how tough it really is. The double-layered, padded polyester fabric resists wear and tear, and it's tightly secured to the frame so it won't sag over time. Even the rubber foot inserts are molded for stability, keeping the chair from sliding around on uneven ground. Whether you're on grass, sand, or concrete, you'll always feel steady. Now let's talk about the extras that make this chair truly stand out. It comes with a foldable side table, perfect for holding your drink, snacks, or phone, and an insulated cooler bag that keeps your beverages chilled for hours. Imagine relaxing at a tailgate or campsite with an ice-cold drink within arm's reach. It's those little details that turn ordinary outdoor lounging into a mini luxury experience. And when it's time to pack up, no hassle at all. This chair folds flat and is ready to go without any assembly required. Measuring just 36 inches long and weighing under 15 pounds, it's super easy to carry by hand or toss in your car. Whether you're heading out for camping, fishing, picnics, beach trips, or tailgating, this oversized director's chair combines comfort, convenience, and strength, all in one perfect outdoor companion. Smash that subscribe button like you're testing a heavy-duty chair's weight limit. Number 2. Best overall. Sunnyfeel Oversized Camping Director's Chair. Ever tried to set up a camping chair only to pinch your fingers or struggle with a jammed frame? Well, this camping director's chair was made to put an end to that hassle. Its smart anti-pinching and click-to-lock design makes setting it up completely effortless and totally safe. In just seconds, it's ready for use. With an open size of 21 inches by 25 inches by 36 inches, it gives you plenty of room to relax, while the packed size of 20 inches by 19 inches by 5 inches makes it super compact for storage. You can slip it into a corner, car trunk, or closet without taking up much space, making it perfect for travel or quick weekend getaways. Now, let's talk convenience, because this chair's got plenty of it. It comes with a handy side table that's perfect for keeping your snacks, drinks, or even your phone close by. Plus, it has integrated beverage and phone holders that free up your hands so you can focus on enjoying your surroundings. On top of that, there's a double front multi-pocket on the side, giving you loads of storage for your books, magazines, tablet, keys, and wallet. No more losing your stuff in the grass or under your feet. Everything stays neat, tidy, and within reach. When it comes to strength, this chair is no lightweight. Built with a sturdy steel frame, it can support up to 500 pounds with ease. Despite that power, it only weighs around 13 pounds, so carrying it from one spot to another is a breeze. The seat itself is made from double seam 600 by 300 D Oxford cloth and 200 gram mesh, offering just the right mix of durability, comfort, and breathability. It's built tough enough to handle heavy use, yet soft enough to sit in for hours without discomfort. And the best part? Setting it up is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Just take it out of the carry bag using the handy handle straps. Pull the frame apart and click it into place. That's it. You're done. No complicated instructions, no tools needed. Within seconds, you've got a solid, comfy chair ready for whatever adventure you're off to. This camping director's chair isn't just for camping either. It's your all-in-one outdoor companion, great for the beach, fishing trips, tailgating, picnics, or even backyard parties. Whether you're watching a game, traveling cross-country, or just relaxing on your patio, this chair fits right in. Durable, convenient, and designed with real comfort in mind, the Sunnyfeel Camping Director's Chair is the kind of gear you'll wonder how you ever lived without. By the way, which of these camping chairs would you choose? Tell us in the comments. Number 1, our pick, Romswi Aluminum Hammock Camping Chair. Imagine kicking back in the great outdoors, gently rocking in a chair that feels more like a hammock than a seat. The Romswi Swing Camping Chair with a removable footrest takes outdoor comfort to a whole new level. Its footrest isn't just for show. It moves in perfect harmony with the chair's soothing swing, giving you that dreamy, weightless feeling. Lifting your legs helps reduce pressure on your spine by nearly 1/3 and eases tension in your knees and ankles. It's the kind of full-body relaxation you just can't get from a regular camping chair. Despite being built tough, this chair is surprisingly lightweight. Made with a sturdy mix of aluminum alloy and steel, it offers a strong load capacity of up to 440 pounds, yet it only weighs around 13 pounds itself. You can count on its non-slip foot pads to keep you steady on any surface, from rocky campsites to sandy beaches. Whether you're heading out for a weekend adventure or just relaxing in your backyard, this chair is built to last. Setting it up couldn't be easier. In just a few seconds, you can unfold the durable aluminum frame, attach the seat, and listen for that reassuring click that means it's locked in place. Plus, it comes with a convenient carry bag, so you can take it anywhere you go. The thoughtful extras, like a built-in cup holder, side pocket, and storage bag attached to the footrest, make sure everything you need stays close at hand. It's the perfect companion for camping trips, beach days, tailgate parties, or music festivals. Comfort is where this chair truly shines. With its extra-wide design, breathable mesh padding, and soft yet durable 600D Oxford fabric, you'll feel supported for hours. The headrest gives your neck the relief it deserves, while the extended footrest makes lounging effortless. Every part of this chair is designed with your comfort in mind. To top it off, the adjustable backrest lets you find your perfect angle. Whether you want to sit upright, lean back, or fully recline, the plush padding and detachable footrest make it easy to switch positions. It adapts to whatever you're doing, working on your laptop, watching the sunset, or drifting into an afternoon nap. Wherever you take it, this swing lounger chair promises unmatched comfort and versatility that you'll never want to leave behind. Remember, we've done the hard work, sifting deep into the research so you don't have to waste time on subpar products. For more product info, check the affiliate links below or our website, toppick3.com. Thanks for watching.